A warm good morning to each and every friends, teachers, and especially Team I3 Development, who has given us this opportunity to showcase and present our school activities. So to begin with, I would like to start. To begin with, I would like to introduce a small description about my school, which was established in 1995, and ours is a private affordable school, and there is a lot of interesting stories that are there in the slide, which you can be read out, and our struggles and success stories are mentioned into it. But keeping in view of the time constraints, I would just like to go about how are we implementing them and aligning it with the national education policy. The agenda of the national education policies, out of the key agendas given by national education policies, we are now focusing upon the vision and key principles. And we are glad that most of our vision is aligning with the vision of NAPs. So our Neurosity School's vision and mission is to impart knowledge and at the same time to help the child develop an all-round personality. It is to recognize the inborn talent and develop it completely, to enable the child to solve problems successfully and face the world with courage and confidence, and to build integrity, character of a child to make him or her a better human being with compassion, courage, and understanding towards one and all. In this endeavor, that is the main focus areas which we are looking into: the intellectual development, physical development, spiritual or the moral, you could call it, and emotional development. So what are the activities we are doing in order to achieve our mission and vision will be shared by my school teachers. To look at, we do have the Friday activities that helps them developing right from the onset with the tiny tots of nursery. We are helping them identify self-discovery and identify their inborn talents. We encourage them celebrate graduation ceremonies and show them what are their inborn talents they have and discuss it with their parents. And various activities that helps us in identifying these students' inborn talents, and we make sure that how can we use and these talents, ensure that these talents can match with their interest and become a strong potential, and which can in future be linked with their career and livelihood. To enable the child to solve problems successfully and face the world with courage and confidence, what are we doing for problem solving skills? We use various activities, like we do have science fairs where a child does a research. Recently, as one of them has done, how can we use pheromones to trap for mosquito mating and disruption? And to recognize the inborn talent and to develop it completely, we have got Jiva's framework of activities through which we are doing various activities and making them realize their real potential. Thank you so much. Over to my teachers who would explain you how are we and doing this, enabling this with the various activities. Sunita would show the activities that we are doing to develop these in physical and intellectual, and all the 4 arenas: physical, intellectual, spiritual, and emotional, as well as Romana's main focus is on moral development. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A special mention to our respected Principal Nasreen Ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best in providing education. Firstly, our vision and mission is clear, that here in our school, we don't overburden our children with theory-based studies, as practical knowledge will give a good impact in their lives. Our target is to bring out the God-gifted talents out of them, as well as clear their doubts and build up their personalities in different fields like moral, social, religious, and educational. Our vision and mission is to make it crystal clear future goals for students through which they will become a better human being. To enable child to successfully figure out their problems and face the world confidently with courage. Our vision and mission is to pass knowledge in them so that they will use it with wisdom. Alhamdulillah, we are success in our mission and also we continue it in future. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Sunita from New Rosary High School, Hyderabad. Today I am going to tell about psychomotor skill. How I improved psychomotor skills to my students. We can see in this video students doing small activity using their hands and legs. They are thinking and putting where they have to put hand and where they have to put legs. Psychomotor skill growth and development refer to change in a person's physical attribute, communication, cognitive and social skills throughout life. Learn the stage of psychomotor skills through infancy, early, late childhood, adolescency and adulthood. If you have watched a child grow, they go from the baby being able to hold their head up when they are born to crawling, walking and eventually growing into fully functioning adults. Growth refers to increase in height, weight and development to the skilled children develop as they grow. For the purpose of this lesson, we will classify growth and development as a physically, cognitive, communicate. Sharing is caring means that we give something to someone, it is equal to caring him. Sharing is caring simply means to look after others. For example, you give food to other person because you don't want to that person to get hungry. You did not care to this person by giving food. In the same way, if you share your precious thing with others, like with your brothers and cousins, this show that him or her shared your things because of care. That's why it is